Hi there, welcome to PyQt5 tutorial for you. My name is Darlington Kwaze. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use QFrame. QFrame is used to give widgets a frame. It can also be used to create a placeholder frame without any content. I'm going to show you how to use it now. I already have a boilerplate code here. Okay, so let's quickly dive into it. So without wasting much time, I'm going to create a widget. And I'm going to make this widget the central widget. Now I'm going to create a label. I'll call it label. Okay. And I'll say self.main widget. And now I'm going to create a horizontal layout. Okay. And I'm going to add the label to this horizontal layout now. So I'm going to say self.horizontal layout dot add widget, then self.label. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is give this label a frame. So I'm going to say self.label dot set frame shape. And I'm going to say there should be Qt widgets.q frame dot box. Okay, save it and run it, and now you can see the label and you can see the frame here. Okay, I'm going to set the alignment. So I'm going to say self.label dot set alignment. Okay, and I'm going to say Qt core dot Qt dot align center. Okay, I want it to be at the center, so I'm going to save it and run it, and now it's at the center. Okay, so basically what we've just done is create a widget, which is a label now. Okay, aside this central widget here, we created the widget and we gave it a frame. Okay, but we can have a frame without any content. Okay, we can create a frame without any content, like I mentioned earlier. So I'm going to comment this out and create a frame without a content. Okay, so I'm going to say self.frame is equal to Qt widgets.QFrame. Okay, and I'm going to say self.main widget. Okay, and I'm going to say self.frame dot set frame shape, and I'm going to say Qt widgets dot QFrame. Okay, dot box. Okay, and I'm going to need this horizontal layout now, so I'm going to restore it, and I'm going to say self.horizontal layout dot add widget, and I'm going to say self.frame. Okay, so if I save it and run it, and now you can see the frame, okay, without any content. So I'm going to cancel it now. You can change this to panel, save it and run it. Okay, still thin. You can change it to win panel, save it and run it. Now it's sticker. You can change this to no frame, save it and run it. You can see it's clear. You can change this to v-line, save it and run it, and now it's a vertical line. So this is useful when you want to separate widgets with a single line. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this, and you can change this to a horizontal line also, h line, save it and run it, and now it's horizontal. I'll change it back to panel. Sorry, panel. Okay. You can set the frame shadow, so you could say soft.frame.set frame shadow. Okay, and say QFrame dot raised. Okay, save it and run it, and now it appears raised. Okay, you can change this to sunken, save it and run it, and now it appears sunken. You can change this to plain, save it and run it, and now it's plain. Okay, you can also set the line width. I think that goes from like 0 to 3. Okay, so if we change this to, if we set this to 3, and now it's thicker. Okay, so that's a frame without a content. We could also nest frames, so we could say soft.frame2, for example. I'm creating another frame, so I'm going to copy this and paste it here, but this time I'm going to change this to frame. Okay, and I'm going to say soft frame2 dot set frame shape. I'm going to say Qt widgets dot QFrame dot let's say box. Okay, save it and let's run it. Let's see. So you see that the second frame is now in the first frame. So I'm going to cancel it. Let's give it a vertical layout. So we could say soft.vertical layout is equal to Qt widgets.q v box layout, and we'll say soft.frame. Okay, and we'll say soft.vertical layout dot add widgets, and we'll say soft.frame2. Okay, and save it and run it, and now you can see clearly that the second frame is in the first frame. Okay, so cancel it. We can also add as many widgets as we want to the frame. So we could say soft dot, as much as the frame can contain. So we could say soft dot label, for example, is equal to Qt widgets dot q label, and we could say name and say soft dot frame2 now. Okay, and we could say soft dot line edit is equal to Qt widgets dot q line edit, and we could say full name. Okay, and could say self.frame2. okay, and we could give them a horizontal layout, so say self.horizontal layout, but this time we'll say 2. okay, because we already have one active horizontal layout, self.horizontal layout. okay, so call this horizontal layout 2 is equal to Qt widgets.qh box layout, and we'll say self.frame2. okay, and come and say self.horizontal layout 2 dot add widget, and we'll say self.label. okay, and copy this and paste it here and change this to a line edit, save it and run it, and now you can see name and full name. You can change the font also, so you could say font is equal to Qt GUI .q font. okay, and you could say font dot set bold. You could say true, and then you could come here and say self.frame dot set font, and you could say font, save it and run it. okay, and now you can see it's bold. okay, so I'm going to cancel this. I think we can stop here. So that's basically how it goes. If you enjoyed watching this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.